Hello everyone, this is Rashyan welcome to the channel. So in first three videos, we saw all the installation, basic locators, assertions and keyboard actions and mouse actions. So that if you missed that video, please go and see those videos and come to the fourth day. Otherwise you will go and get that grip. Okay. And what we are seeing in fourth day. Okay. So basically we do the drop downs. That is a mandatory in all the forms, even the dynamic text box or drop downs. Okay, so those things today we are going to see three things. One is our native selected drop down. Next one is a dynamic drop down. I'm going to show the Redbus app. And the third one is file uploading, because all the registration forms nowadays is attached with the files like PDFs or images like that. Okay, so we are going to see the how to file upload using a Playwright, everything using TypeScript. Okay, so you guys know we are seeing the Playwright and TypeScript combo, and we are using the CodeLLM editor. So if you see the first three videos, these are all the magics of that one. And additionally, I will tell you another thing. So $10 what you are going to pay for the CodeLLM editor, you're going to get all the ChatLLM teams. Like this is an LLM. In this, you will access for ChatGPT, Cloudy Sonnet and Huck, Llama, Gemini, Abacus Smog, and other couple of features as well. So if you see, if you buy a Cruiser, it'll $20. That alone. If you buy a ChatGPT, it's $20. But in $10 per month, you will have a CodeLLM, all the bots for $10. So if you want it, please go and see it. And it's first month always free. Okay, so you can have as a set. Okay, so let's jump onto the thing. Before that, I will tell you what is a drop down. Okay, so drop down is, if you see, this is the drop down. We can select any values, right? So I'm going to inspect this. Okay, I'm going to inspect this. When I click on here, you can see the select option tag. So that's why everywhere it's called as a select drop down. So it's not like the reason it's selecting, that's why we select. No, the tag name is select. So that's why this native drop downs we call as a select drop downs or native drop downs. So if we see the select drop down, so this is the locator. Under this child you will see options. So these are the options which is available in the screen. Okay, so in this there are two parameters. One is value. So value you can see like short, 2 letters short name, and the text is which is available in the screen, like whatever you are able to see in the UX. Okay, there are two ways. So we can handle the Playwright selection drop down in two ways. One is based upon the value, another one is based upon the label. Label means text. Okay, so let's jump onto the code. So this is the last day code. So I'm going to take a copy of the session, pasting it, change the name. What is the name? Today we are studying about the drop downs. Okay, drop downs. Okay, cool, right? So this drop down. So in this, I'm simply going to remove everything. So already the base URL is coming from the playwright.config. Only this URL path we should pass in page.goto. In this, first and foremost thing is we need to store the select location. So what is the select location? In select location, see this, it has a data ID, it has a name, it has a country, but all are which are seeing a numerical values. Okay, but that is not useful. Okay, so even some people say it's like use ID, but if you see the ID also numerical value, so it's not a constant. Sometime it will fail your code. So I'm going to take the data label. So data label is called country. Okay, so I'm going to store a constant. This constant is select option, select or drop down equal to wait page dot get by label. So the label is we saw country and we stored it. So right now we get the select location. So next thing is wait. In the select location, there is one method called select option. Okay, so we need to use the select option method to select. And in this, that I told you two things. One is based upon value. Okay, so in this, if we see this, what is the value of see, like I'm let's select Australia. So Australia is AU. Okay, that's the value of AU, Australia. So I'm going to give AU. So what it will do, it will go to the location and go to the option and will check where is AU and it select it. Now this is automation. Where is testing here? The testing is to validate, right? So wait, expect what we expect in the select drop down. Okay, should have to have the value of what? What is the value? It's Australia. Let's see, Australia we give. Okay, so we're expecting Australia. Okay, so I'm going to run this file. So npx playwright test drop down file name and the project name is Chrome. Okay, we are launching the browser. See this, see the drop down location. See this, it is selected the Australia and it will close the browser, but it got failure. So what is the failure? See this, let's see the failure, what it's got failed. So actually what happens in the country label, the expert string is Australia, but the value is coming as what? AU. So we need to give AU only. Okay, because in system wise it will understand as a AU. Okay, so I'm selecting it, it will launch the browser. So right now it got passed because we expected right thing. Okay, so what is the another method to select a drop down? Okay, let's see another method. So await select drop down dot select option. This I told you based upon the label. So label value is whatever visible in the things. Okay, let's take Bhutan. Okay, so I'm going to give Bhutan as a value, and as usual we want to do the assertion. So Bhutan is BT. So label I gave a country, which country I want to select, and value I gave this one. Okay, I'm going to launch this browser. This time twice it will change. First time it's running faster. So what I will do, after the selection I will put one wait set one. That's the problem of this one. Time wait for 2000 seconds. Okay, actually Playwright and TypeScript are best combinations. So it's ran like a bullet. Okay, so see this, first is Australia, Bhutan, so it got closed. Okay, so now you got it right. This is the way we need to handle the native dropdowns, like a select dropdowns. Okay, next I'm going to talk about you. So this is fine. Okay, so the dynamic dropdowns. Okay, dynamic in the sense sometimes the drop down values won't come. If you type something, the drop down will populate. So it's kind of dynamic text box or kind of dynamic drop down in the way. Okay, let's take an example. It is a redbus.in. It's a everyone knows it's a kind of booking app for buses. Okay, so when you let's take, I'm typing 3 letters CHE. When I type a CHE, see this, the value is, it's providing certain value. When I put remove CH means or Coimbatore COI, the drop down value is this one. So in this case I'm not able to give a constant value because I don't know which one will come in the drop down. Okay, so you are able to visualize, right? So this is the dynamic thing. So in this, the location not constant, anything will change on any moment. So our script also need to be in that way to get a pass. Otherwise what will happen, it will fail in most of the runs. Okay, and for a it's not a robustness. Okay, let's take I will go to this URL. So what I want to do, how to go to the other URL, military page dot await page dot go to I'm telling go to this URL. So this is the way you want to jump from other URL to another URL. Okay, even I don't know, but it will put in the path or it will change everything. Okay, and load this one is loading the page. Okay, and first one we want to type the text in the text box. That we will take first. So it's a label called from tag. So I'm going to put await page dot get by label. The label value is from here. Fill the value as, let's say I will type CHE. I will. Okay. After that, if I inspect this things, see the tag here. UL means unordered, like UL, and this list. The UL is a main tag. Under the tag there are so many LLs. Okay, L means list. So in the list, if you see, there's a in the text. Sorry, in the text it's called Coimbatore. If I go to the next list, in this there are two lists because there are two. One is placeholder main text Gandhipuram, placeholder subtext Coimbatore. Okay, there are two texts, but we want to focus on placeholder placeholder, the first main placeholder. Okay, now you got it right. So what I am going to say, so this is a class, it's a class tag. See clearly, it's a class tag. So what I'm going to do, you guys can await. See clearly what I'm trying to do. Page dot, after filling it, page dot locator. In the locator I put dot. So you can ask why you put dot. So dot is indicates what? It's a CSS. Dot indicates a class. Okay. Hash means ID. So we are taking class. Okay. And the in this, okay, I am taking generalized class. Okay. And we studied in the day one. Like what is that? Has text. Has text. What text? If it is, we are seeing CHE. CHE means our div tag. Like let's take some other very catchy. Coimbatore. Okay. Coimbatore. Dot click. Okay, now you got it right what I'm trying to do. Okay, so let's how to validate. Suppose I'm clicking on this one, means I clicked it. So now inspect that one where this value is coming under the the tag div from Coimbatore. Okay, so what it is selecting in this main tag, it is selecting this one. Okay, I am going to put the same thing. Watch clearly. I am going to validate right now. Await, expect. See here, place this one. We don't want to wait. Say fine. Has text to be visible. So visible means if it is shown in the screen means our validation is okay. Our validation is done. I'm going to run this file again. Let's see. If the URL didn't go means we will put in different file because the URL is different. Australia, Bhutan. Now let's go to the redbus.in. Selecting past. To show the magic, let's put a wait. Okay. So this is the way we need to handle the dynamic locators. Okay. Australia, Bhutan. Next go to the adverse.in, typing channel. Oh, it's too faster, too faster. Let's make. Okay, so this is the way we need to handle the things. Okay. Coimbatore, see this? Coimbatore got selected. So now you understood, right, how to do the things. Then third one, we are going to see the file upload. Okay. So for the website, how it works, like this website, we take the file upload. So simply you want to inspect this file uploading option. Okay. And if you see what is this input, this is a type file. Okay. So we need to, before that, what I'm going to do, like what we want to do, like we need to go to the await page dot, go to, so we want to copy this URL and we need to go to this website, and now we need to take the locator, page dot locator. So this is the input. I'm going to use here the CSS. So how the CSS works, like tag name, square bracket, and I want to put this value dot. Here the thing. So what we want to do use, we want to use the send input files. Okay. So I have one test file dot test PDF. That is a dummy file. I don't have anything, but it's a test file. Okay. So we need to give the path test. You see here it was in the root, so that's why I didn't put any slashes. Suppose it was in any folder, means put slash folder name slash file name. So here it was in root only, so I'm putting in this directly file name. So after that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to wait for 5 seconds to show you it's uploaded or not. Okay. So let's see. So first it will do the drop down thing. After that it will go to the red bus. Let's wait for wait until it's upload. Let's see. So what I missed as previously is when you open a new something was fishy here. It's a wrong. I don't know when auto like this is the LLM smartness. It will add something. Yes. Okay. So once in this place we will verify all the things. After that we launch the URL. After launching the URL, let's wait for 2 seconds. Then we will do the. So first it will do the drop down. After that Coimbatore thing. Then after wait for 5 seconds, it go to this page. It will do, see this, it's uploading this file. See this, our file got uploaded, right? So now we saw, right? So this is the way we need to use input files. Okay, then first of all we want to find the input. Always this upload option has the input tag, so we want to find that input tag. Once we find the input tag, then we will upload the file. Okay, and if you want, in the case of to verify, like last time we'd have a text, right? What we done, to visible or have text. So for testing purpose, I will use this one, some random download JPEG. So once we upload, this option is coming, right? Download JPEG, because that's the file name. So you just inspect that one. It's a link actually. So in the link you want to see that name is there or not. Okay, so what I'm going to do here for the faster pace, relation no refer or target, it's anchor tag. Okay, it's an anchor tag. In the anchor tag, it's a tag A, and we need to find some random XPath for this. Taking this is unwanted, it's not a good one. Class name also irrelevant to this. Take it's an anchor tag plus, or we take this main upload option. Okay, let's try it out. So after uploading, await page dot get by, this is the label. See clearly, label name is this one we know, but in this label we want to find the anchor tag. in the anchor tag, so I am putting everything in the expected because we have the assertion here clearly. Assertion, in the assertion to have contain text. Why contain? Because contain means it will some portions. So what's our file name? Test.pdf. Okay. If I put have text means what the meaning? Exact. Contains means the partial. Okay. My low battery is hitting me. Okay, let's try it out. Do the magic. So it will upload this file. Once upload, it will verify this it contains this text or it's going in caps. We'll see like it is. See this, no? Let's see what actually it came. Element not found. So element not found. Give it gateway label dot locator. Then we need to little be smarter enough, because we took this feed tag that says independent. Let's see this one. If no other chance, because I don't know. So let's take. We don't want this one. It's a tag. Under the tag, let's square bracket. Put this ref to no reference. This is the CSS we are using right now. Magic. Actually, I will remove the red burst time for the 5 seconds. That's why it's taking more time. So now it got passed. So thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like and subscribe, share to your friends. Okay. If you have any doubts, please put me in the comment. I will try to add and clarify in the upcoming videos. Okay, and subscribe for my channel. Thank you.